Hi there guys, Anim here. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's episode, I have a mini small fragrance haul to unbox for you all. So about a month ago, I ordered this shaving cream from this website called Crown's Shaving Company. And the scent, it was scented tobacco scent. It's very nice pipe tobacco. I tried it out. The scent smelled really nice and I really liked it. So I reached out to them on Instagram on their page, direct message them, and then I was like, you guys should make a fragrance out of this. This is an amazing scent and I like to have a fragrance out of this. And they're like, we already have a company, fragrance company, a sister company called Persons of Interest, and we make a unisex fragrance and they have the tobacco note. So they have about 10 fragrances. It's like all the parfums, and most of them have the tobacco note in it. It's like unisex fragrance, so it's great. And then I said to them, do you guys have some samples? And then I was like, sure, just look at the website, see which ones you like and give me the name and I'll send you some. So I was like, wow, thank you. So I looked at the site, I gave them a few names of it, then it's like, okay, I'm gonna include another one for you as well. So I was like, okay, thanks, great. And he got my address and he sent it to me. And yeah, he sent it, and here it is. Thank you so much, Dino, for sending me this. I really appreciate it, and I'm really excited to share my experience with you all. So let's jump right into it. So yeah, I'm really excited about this fragrance. There we go. Wow, you sent me an extra one, a cologne one. Wow. So put it here. Put these all together. Okay. So the first one I'm going to try out is the one that he said smells really similar to that one. It's called Sex and Cigarettes. Very unique name. Very nice name. I like it. Let's see, how does this smell? Wow. Wow. Very nice. Yeah, it's very close, similar to that. I do get some spiciness, maybe a little bit of the patchouli I get in here, but nice warm tobacco. Probably has a little bit of sweetness to it. Very nice tobacco. It's this realistic get tobacco scent. And next one I have Tobac Noir, another tobacco fragrance. Let's test her out. Wow. Now this one, as I'm smelling it right now, I get, oops. The tobacco note is there, but I get a little bit of a patchouli and some sweetness to it. Maybe some vanilla. Very nice. This one's warm and cozy. Great one for the fall. I feel like these one all for like fall and winter work great. Do I think it can work all seasons? Good nighttime, but great on the fall, especially that one. Very nice. I liked it. So third one, I have a Havana Conference. Yeah, very nice. Remind me of the other fragrance, Pure Havana. It's cool. Yeah, let's smell this one. Wow. This one I get the patchouli in it, the earthiness to it. It has the tobacco note in it as well, but I think that one comes in as it dries down. It's very spicy, nice spicy scented. Yeah, I like this one. A little different from the first two, but very nice. I like it. Very nice. So next one we have Supernova. So, but this one doesn't have the tobacco note in it. So let's see how this one smells. Wow. Yeah, I get earthiness in here. That spiciness from the patchouli. Yeah, I get some citrus in here too. Very nicely blended together. Yeah, I feel like this one can work really well in the hot weathers too. Very fresh, very bright. Yeah, excellent. So this next one, yeah, it's their signature blend. It's their cologne. Oh, this is the roll-on they have. You just roll it on your wrist, and you could do it like here. Let me smell it here. Wow, very nice. I get that licorice, that spiciness. Maybe I get some patchouli in here. It reminds me of the forest or something. When you go into the forest, you smell it. I'm gonna spend some time with these fragrances, test them out, come back with a full review for you all and give you my take on these fragrances. So far, they're amazing. They have a really, really nice opening, and I'm guaranteed that longevity is good because they're auto parfum concentration. So yeah, I'm really excited to it. Thank you so much again for Dino for sending me this. I really appreciate it, and I definitely gonna pick up some of these bottles for myself because I really like them. I'm really interested in your fragrances. Last but not least, I got the new Acqua di Gio Eau de Parfum. I picked this one up and it finally came to the mail. I bought it from fragrancebuy.ca and they had it, surprisingly, because usually discounters take a little while to get the new releases, but Fragrance Buy is a great place. They usually bring the new ones pretty quick, so I was really impressed. And I'm going to be doing an unboxing on this, on my first impression on this soon for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace.